This is a review of Napcat's battery-powered video doorbell. It is working with 2.4 and 5 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi, dual power options. You can either use battery or the wire. On-device human detection, package monitoring. It has Chime also. This is 5 megapixels, Super HD. Head to toe, 2.45G, dual power, and 0 monthly fee. You don't have to subscribe it. Let's look at the feature. 5 megapixel, two-way audio, AI human detection, 180-day battery life. It's about 6 months. Package monitoring, free local storage, instant notification, anti-theft alarm. If someone is trying to steal it, basically it's gonna alarm. In IP65 weatherproof, wide dynamic range. Let's open it and see. We have the quick start guide. And here is the sticker, 24-hour video surveillance. And this is our Chime antennas. That's the sync button. Here is the area for SD card. You can put it over there. It has already SD card in it. Let's see, 16 gigabytes. It came with the box. Let's see the box, what we have inside. We have international adapters. And here's the other box. Alright, this is for the US. You can put it like that. And that's it. If you want to change it, you need to push it over here and change it. And here is the video doorbell. Okay, this area you can unlock it. Speaker. If you want to use wire, you need to use this area. If you want to charge it, basically you can charge it over here and you can turn it on from here. We have mounting stuff on the wall. You can basically put it on the wall. If you want to extend it, you can use this. Here are some of the stuff. If you want to use the wires, you can use this. And if you want to take it out, you can take it out with this. And USB-C charging cable. Here are the screws. Let's go ahead and turn on the device. And now it's coming.
Wi-Fi connected success.
It is connected already. No, I don't have an existing doorbell or wiring, or I don't want to bother the wiring. Let's continue with battery. And next, finish. Got it. It says person at the front door. That's me. Let's look. It is very wide. And let's go ahead and press on this. Right now you can see it. Let's go ahead and answer it. Hello? Hello?
Hello? Hello?
We can change the voice also. Funny. Hello?
Hello?
Hey.
Hey.
This is normal also. Let's go ahead and hang up. And it is 96%. You can take a snapshot or record it. and you can speak. Hello. And there is an alarm also. Wow. Okay, it is too loud. This is live right now. And also you can play back. Let's see the settings. Intelligence settings, message notification, anti-theft alarm.
Warning, doorbell has been removed.
Warning, doorbell has been removed.
And you can see both of them are warning. And it's because of this area. Power management, optimal surveillance, optimal battery life, customize, you can customize it. In time settings, LED status, storage, we have 16 GB of storage. Let me turn off the lights and see. And now it can see me at night. Okay, let me turn on the lights and see. One more time. Let's see that. It is very wide angle. See, I can suggest this product because when you look at the video, it can see you directly 90 degrees and it can see what's under the camera. Look at it, for example. Now I can see the front. I can see the front right there. At the same time, I can see this area right there. You can see here and you can see directly whatever it's in front of it. It has a nice chime. It has different adapters for different countries. And there are two options. If you want to use battery, you can more than welcome. And if you want to use wires, also you can use it. If you're not able to see the whole area, you can use this extender to see. And it has alarm and anti-theft alarm, basically. And one more thing, it has SD card. You don't have to purchase additional SD card. I installed the camera right there. And let's see how we're gonna see it. And this is what I see. And I put the chime right there. Let me go ahead and ring the bell. This is what you see in here. Hello? Hello? See? If someone comes, you can see it like this. Also, as I said it before, if they left the package right here, if they left the package right over there, you can also see it because it can see 45 degrees below. It can see directly whatever it's in front of it. There are two videos. One is 45 degrees below right here, and the other one is 90 degrees. 90 degrees and 45 degrees, you can see.